Facebook's smart plot on India's Reliance Jio by investing $5.7 billion for a 9.99% stakes. This massive bet of Facebook on Reliance Jio gives almost 10% stakes in the company, which is the largest minority stockholder. Click on the bell icon to get the latest tech updates. And join us on Tech Shouters to know more about all the new happenings in the tech world. Recently, Facebook's first step took to India via WhatsApp, as India has the highest WhatsApp users, around 400 million. Now, Facebook took another head to India by investing its almost 10% stakes in India's well-known company Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio is the most successful and valuable company all over India, with having more than 370 million customers. It was launched 4 years ago, and now only in 4 years, it has become a nation's huge profitability or productivity company. By this deal, Facebook is the most comprehensive minority stockholders in the Indian telecom network. This collaboration indicates that they will work together to increase the digital economy of India. They will figure out some effective ways that will raise the digital economy of India. Well, this is the biggest investment by any tech company across the world. Reliance Jio also developed other services like broadband, online live television service, Jio TV, payment service, Jio Service, and online music platform JioSaavn. Facebook says, "India is a great nation and we really love the way it is. For several years, we are investing in India to connect people and help them to raise their business in every possible way. We are so overwhelmed and super excited for regarding this investment that will surely grow the small businesses and digital economy of India." As per new leaks, Motorola is declaring a new flagship named Edge Plus. Today, Motorola is organizing an online event at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, and in the event, Motorola declares its new flagship. In today's online event, Motorola is revealing its new flagship named Edge Plus. Motorola is all set to launch its new phone Motorola Edge Plus. As per new leaks, it is assumed that new Motorola flagship features Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, 256 GB of storage, 12 GB of DDR5 RAM, and has 5000 mAh battery life. The Motorola Edge Plus has a 3.5mm headphone jack and carries 5.1 Bluetooth. Subsequently, it supports the 5G network of Verizon's Wave that guarantees quicker speed ever. According to the past few leaks, the phone has an option that allows you to name the app shortcuts by only tapping on the edge of the screen. Leaks also describe that the screen is twirl over the edges. Ahead of the event, the new leaks have created rumors regarding its price, features and more. For the back camera, it has a triple camera setup that includes a primary lens of 108 megapixel, an ultra-wide lens of 16 megapixel, and the other one has 8 megapixel. The front camera embeds 25 megapixel. As per the price perspective of all new Edge Plus, then a few gossips doing rounds that it has pricing around $1,000. It will also feature a 6.7-inch OLED FHD Plus display, with having 90Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution. The bits of rumors are also doing rounds that Motorola will also declare a less potential powerful phone named Edge. According to related sources, the Edge smartphone will have 64 megapixel for the main back camera. So these were some big updates from some of the well-known tech giants. For more such updates, stay tuned with Tech Shouters.